Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Warrior Plus income video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and monthly recurring commissions have recently come in, taking me to a total of $6,500 in commissions with Warrior Plus. So I'm live in my account here. I want to just refresh this page to show you it's not a screenshot. Go into all time there and into Go. And then this brings up all my stats and data. Just scroll down here so you can see everything. The commission column is on the right hand side. I'm live in my account here. The commission column on the right hand side here is $6,500.63. And the total of products sold is now 13,292. And over here on the left-hand column, these are the products sold, 1,517 items. But more importantly in this video, what I want to show you is the majority of these products are autopilot bias traffic offers. And I want to show you how not just to be buying your traffic, I want to show you how you can get your traffic for free. That's the first stage within this strategy that I teach. So these are membership sites, and they've also got multiple income streams built into them. So you can promote one link with each of these offers, and you've got an opportunity to earn multiple income streams because the owners put those in as a done-for-you funnel. That gives you an opportunity to get your traffic for free and to get into profit faster. And also, this is a profitable monthly funded traffic proposal. So what that means is that when you promote traffic and you get into profit with that traffic source, that enables you every single month to be in profit, and then you can take a percentage of those profits and you can buy more traffic and you can scale up. So you're no longer buying traffic from your job income, your wages, if you've got a full-time job like me, or even from your savings in your bank account. You're now buying traffic, more traffic from profits. And that's how you scale up your affiliate marketing business faster. There's also an opportunity to earn thousands of dollars with, excuse me, with Warrior Plus offers, because traffic is an evergreen niche, and everyone that's in the industry now and everyone that's coming in the future will always need traffic and more traffic. So I do recommend you spend a percentage of promotional time promoting traffic offers. I'm putting an income disclaimer in the description because I'm not making any income claims in this video. There's no guarantees this will work for you. I'm just teaching you the strategy and the products that work for me. We've all got the same equal opportunity as an affiliate to promote these offers. So let's have a look first of all at the why this strategy works. One reason is that these are membership sites, and this circular arrow down the right hand side here, you'll see that says recurring payment number 18. So the members of these autopilot bias traffic sites are happy members. I'm a member of each and every one of them. It enables the members to get buyers in front of their offers. It enables the members to automate their traffic. And a lot of the members have become affiliates to get their traffic for free. So that gives you, what that does, that gives you an opportunity to have a solid, stable, monthly recurring income every single month. So this is payment number 11, payment number 10 in a row, 11 in a row. They're quite new, 2 in a row. Now, these gaps here are new members coming in. So any gaps that you see between the circular arrows, these are new members coming in. So 12 months in a row, 11 months in a row, 18 months in a row, 8 months in a row, new members coming in. So as I scroll down here, you'll see all these circular, these are all these are all monthly membership payments, and these gaps here, these are the new members coming in. So new people are coming online all the time. New members are joining. Everyone needs traffic. And you've got lots of monthly recurring payments, 9 months in a row, 15 months in a row. So that's the key, to promote membership sites. And then that gives you your traffic for free. That gives you profits every single month. And then that also enables you to earn that profitable monthly funded traffic proposal. I want to show you just some proof here of a lot of these offers have got multiple income streams in them. So you promote one link, and then what the product owners have done, they've put additional products in the funnel that enables the member to buy these offers and build their business faster. So this is an example of Click Traffic Cyclone, which is one of the products I promote. Now, what you'll see here, I've highlighted it in blue, but what you'll see here that the member bought Click Traffic Cyclone, which is a commission, monthly recurring commission of $3.46. And then they've gone for the one-time offer, one-time offer two, one-time offer four, one-time offer five. That's a total there, the commission 46, 30, 11, 6 and 3. So that's about $98 in commission, and that's all from one referral. So this enables you again to be able to get into profit even faster and get your traffic for free faster, because when you promote these offers, some of the members are upgrading and buying products within the funnel. And each one of these offers has got some upgrades within them as well. So let me just talk now a little bit about how the strategy that I teach to achieve these results. And what I've done, I've created a video here on the strategy. So I just teach it step by step in this video. It's really beginner friendly, and it's just called How to Get Your Buyer Traffic for Free. But it's a lot more than that. It's how to get monthly recurring income. It's how to get your offer in front of thousands of buyers, how to get your offer in front of new buyers, how to build a buyers list. So it's really, really simple. I just outline it. I did a video because a lot of people were asking me how I was getting the results. So I put the strategy into a video. You can also have this page if you want to convert if you got some of these offers already, or you want to get started with the strategy, then you can have a look at the offers here. You can join them. Just click on these tabs here, and then they will open in a new window. You can also have a page like this. I'm going to give this page away for free. All you do is join Leads Leap. If you join Leads Leap here, and then you just copy and paste this code here into Leads Leap, and then you can completely duplicate this page and promote your offers on this page. I teach you in this tutorial here how to set the page up. It's really beginner friendly. Just copy and paste in a few clicks, and then if you want to promote this page, then your affiliate links will go into here, and you can even earn some Leads Leap affiliate commissions by putting your Leads Leap link into here. And even as a free member of Leads Leap, you can earn monthly recurring commissions if any of your referrals upgrade to Pro. So I also created a blog post because a lot of people, depending on your learning style, some people like to learn through video, but some people's learning style is to read and learn through reading. So I created a blog post outlining the strategy, and what I'll do is I'll pin this blog post. I'll put it in the description of this video. This page here, I'm going to pin to the first comment below the video you're watching now. So if you want to watch a strategy there and get started today, then I'll pin this to the first comment and you can watch that there. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about today's video, please leave those in the comments. I'll answer all your questions for you. I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. And if you want any help with anything I've shown you today, then just send me an email, and I'm very happy to work with you one-to-one to help you succeed online. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.